Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to connect CJ Dropshipping to Big Cartel. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So I might be wondering, is it actually possible for us to connect Big Cartel into CJ Dropshipping? Well, the direct answer is we first have to see it via CJ Dropshipping's official website. In this case, go to cjdropshipping.com and log in into your account. Now typically at the top right of your screen, you should see a login button or a sign up button. Now in this case, once you've logged in, at the left panel here, you should be able to see the following options. In this case, just scroll down a bit here and look for authorization. Now whenever you hover over authorizations here, you should be able to see the following platforms that actually supports CJ Dropshipping. So we have Shopify, we have eBay, API, Wix, and a lot more. But in this case, we don't see Big Cartel in the following list. In this case, currently Big Cartel does not support or does not directly support CJ Dropshipping. Now in this case, for you to start using CJ Dropshipping into your Big Cartel account, what you need to do is you need to manually connect or basically add the products into your account. Now for example, we have this product here. Let's go ahead and click on it. And from here, what we need to do is we need to download all the necessary images, photos, and in this case, we also need to have the following details already at our side. In this case, go ahead and click on the free download button or video here, or the full options here. In this case, just click on free download here to download your videos, and it's going to start downloading that. And once the download is complete, usually at the top right, you should be able to see it. So go ahead and click on it. From here, click on the folder option. As you can see, we have this video for that specific product. In this case, let's go to Big Cartel. And from here, click on add product. Now in this case, you just need to include the product name. In this case, it's going to be this one. So let's go ahead and copy this one and paste it in here. Description is going to be around in the section here. So as you can see, these are the descriptions. So in this case, you could go ahead and just start copying all the descriptions that they have. And from here, let's go ahead and paste it in here. From here, we have the categories. So choose the appropriate category, the status, the pricing for it, and add any variants that you have. Now also, you need to include the shipping. And also, you could go ahead and click on the plus button here for you to start adding your images. Now in this case, you could go ahead and open up those images or videos that you have and attach it into your Big Cartel product here. In this case, just click on the save button at the bottom right here to save your changes. And from then, you should be able to start or basically start adding it into your account. In this case, currently, this is the only way for us to start using CJ Dropshipping into Big Cartel. As of now, it's not directly supported yet on Big Cartel, or they don't have a direct connection yet on CJ Dropshipping. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.